Hello everyone, welcome back to Edutainer. In this lecture, we will be completing about the gaze system. So let's start. Gaze input. Before talking about this lecture, let us understand what is a gaze in virtual reality. In virtual reality, or we can say in virtual environment, the person which is seeing towards an object is known as a gaze. For example, you can see this person, he is wearing a virtual headset reality. So in his virtual environment, he is seeing towards some particular object. And this, what he is seeing is known as a gaze. Okay, so there are two types of gaze input. First one is the eyes gaze and another one is an head direction. So whenever you want to use the gaze input for virtual reality, either you will be using an eyes gaze or you will be using a head direction. So, eyes gaze. In eyes gaze, you will be taking the position of your eyeballs. Do remember that this is a difficult one. So you can see this virtual reality headset. This is a retrofitted one having the cameras or the sensors that will be seeing or monitoring the positions of the eyeball that you're moving. If your eyeball is moving in left direction, in virtual reality you will be looking towards left. Similarly for the right one and up and down. Okay, these headsets and the controllers are very quite expensive because they are having sensors to monitor the eyeballs. Right. Similarly, we have head direction. So in head direction, the gaze takes the input towards the direction of your head. So you can see that this is a controller that you're fitted towards your head, and if you're moving your direction in upward, in virtual reality you will be looking up. If you're taking a left, in virtual reality you will be looking towards left. So it takes the gaze input according to the direction of your head. Okay, so this one is a quite simple one, head direction. Now we have selection with gaze. First of all, that the object that looking towards is a gaze, and then if you want to select that particular object, that is selection. Okay, so selection can be done by two process. One is button on HMD and another is stare and wait. Okay, so button on HMD. HMD stands for head mount display. So the particular controllers that you can see, this virtual reality controller and this Google Cardboard, has a button on it. So you can see this button and similarly this button. This button helps you to select the object. Okay. Similarly in stare and hold method, in this you have to see a particular object for 1 to 2 seconds. That depends upon how you code. So this is how you stare and hold. So you can see this thing, this is a cube over here. If you will be staring here for 2 seconds and completing this circle, this object might change its color or it might change its position. It all depends how you code the cube over here. So this is all about the gaze input. In our next lecture, you will be studying about Unity Asset Show. Till now, thank you.